Let's also get you all the highlights of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Gujarat, day 2 of his visit, where he's there to celebrate the 145th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the day which is also being celebrated as a National Unity Day. The Prime Minister began his visit today by paying tribute to Sardar Patel at the Statue of Unity. He was seen paying a floral tribute, also administered the Ekta Pledge and witnessed the Ekta Divas Parade. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister Modi invoked Article 370 Purge and Ram Mandir, saying both these impossible tasks were undertaken by the NDA government. Prime Minister Modi also pledged to empower farmers and migrants of the country by making them self-reliant. In also a mention of the LAC standoff, Prime Minister Modi dared anyone to eye our borders, saying that they are absolutely secure. The Prime Minister will next be addressing the civil services probationers. He has, of course, a power-packed schedule ahead. He's also going to later on be launching a seaplane service between Kevadia to Ahmedabad. In fact, he will fly in the seaplane from the Statue of Unity to the Sabarmati riverfront.
आज देश कोरोना से उभर भी रहा है और एकजुट होकर आगे भी बढ़ रहा है। ये वैसे ही एकजुटता है जिसकी कल्पना लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने की थी। हम सभी की ये एकजुटता कोरोना के इस संकट काल में लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि है। विपदाओं और चुनौतियों के बीच भी देश ने कई ऐसे काम किए हैं जो कभी असंभव मान लिए गए थे। इसी मुश्किल समय में धारा 370 हटने के बाद, आर्टिकल 370 हटने के बाद कश्मीर ने समावेश का 1 साल पूरा किया। 31 अक्टूबर को ही, आज से 1 साल पहले ये कार्यरत हुआ था। सरदार साहब जीवित थे। बाकी राजे रजवाड़ों के साथ ये काम भी अगर उनके जिम्मे होता तो आज इतने सारा आजादी के इतने वर्षों के बाद ये काम करने की नौबत मुझ पे नहीं आती। लेकिन सरदार साहब का वो काम अधूरा था। उन्हीं की प्रेरणा से 130 करोड़ देशवासियों को उस कार्य को भी पूरा करने का सौभाग्य मिला है। कश्मीर के विकास में जो बाधाएं आ रही थी उन्हें पीछे छोड़कर अब कश्मीर विकास के नए मार्ग पर बढ़ चुका है। सोमनाथ के पुनर्निर्माण सरदार पटेल ने भारत के सांस्कृतिक गौरव को लौटाने का जो यज्ञ शुरू किया था, उसका विस्तार देश ने अयोध्या में भी देखा है। आज देश राम मंदिर पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले का साक्षी बना है और भव्य राम मंदिर को बनते भी देख रहा है। दुनिया का आधार किसान और मजदूर है। मैं सोचता हूं कि कैसे किसानों को गरीब और कमजोर ना रहने दूं, कैसे उन्हें मजबूत करूं और ऊंचा सिर करके चलने वाला बना दूं। सरदार साहब का ये सपना था। वो कहते थे, साथियों, किसान, मजदूर, गरीब सशक्त तब होंगे जब वो आत्मनिर्भर बनेंगे। और जब किसान मजदूर आत्मनिर्भर बनेंगे तभी देश आत्मनिर्भर बनेगा।
Mustafa Sheikh joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, a few minutes from now, the Prime Minister will once again be speaking, this time to civil services probationers. But just sum up for us, the highlights of the Prime Minister's visit to the Statue of Unity.
Yes, of course. Akshata, there were a lot of messages which were given on this Unity Day. First was the inaugurations which were done. Second was about the Pulwama attack, and the third was also about how there is a need of unity for people to come together, and especially in terms of tourism, in terms of economics, people have to spend so that the GDP and other things can start moving once again. So there were a lot of messages which were given, but it remained a big day for the Kevadia village in the Narmada district of Gujarat, because now it has come to light as a platform in India where tourists can visit, and it can be a day-long tourism with zoo safari, with viewing of the Sardar statue and other malls and other things which have been added. There are seaplane services for a better connectivity which will be inaugurated sometime from Ahmedabad, and then there is a cruise boat also which connects through the sea these area with different parts. So there were a lot of messages which were given on this Unity Day by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from this dais when the parade was taking place. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, we'll keep coming to you for the latest updates. For the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.